Now, despite the fact that Terra Luna Classic is dropping in price slightly right now, compared to the overall market, it is still doing much better than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba coin, Dogecoin, and even the overall stock market right now. Guys, the Federal Reserve basically trashed sentiment today, and Jerome Powell coming in and injecting so much uncertainty into the economy that stock prices, crypto prices, they're selling off across the board. So I would absolutely expect Terra Luna Classic to fall down as well, but I want to talk about some of the levels of support we've got out there just in case we can maintain these levels, and I also want to talk about some of the new proposals, because my goodness, proposal, that's all we got going on right now. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin down there, and KuCoin offers rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, and they do have Terra Luna Classic on leverage as well. And if you guys want to support the burns, international Binance users or international users can sign up for international Binance down there. And we know that Binance is burning their trading fees on Terra Luna Classic, so make sure to check all those out. But guys, let's jump into this because we got a lot to cover in this video. Just briefly, if you guys want to watch the previous video that I did on Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, you can kind of get a little bit better of an understanding of what the Federal Reserve was talking about and why these prices are declining the way that they are today. But just in a nutshell, Jerome Powell coming out, they rose interest rates, or they increased interest rates by 75 basis points today, and Jerome Powell saying that there's extreme uncertainty as to how far they're going to continue increasing interest rates and at what pace. They're going to do everything that they can in order to reduce the inflation rate, and they don't know when they're going to stop. Anytime you've got uncertainty in the market, you see prices go down, and that is exactly what we've got going on right now. Extreme uncertainty surrounding these interest rates and inflation rates and so on. So that is affecting Terra Luna Classic to the downside. We've seen it trending lower throughout the afternoon. It did not spike around the same way that Bitcoin, Ethereum, the stock market, and so on did, but nonetheless, it is in a downtrend at the moment. Now, Terra Luna Classic is right around that 20,000 point per coin level. If it drops below 20,200 points is right where the candles were yesterday when Terra Luna Classic dropped down to 19,000 points. So if it breaks this level of very, very weak support that we've got on here, we could absolutely be seeing 19,000, even 17 and 16,000 points per coin again on Terra Luna Classic. That is not to say that Terra Luna Classic itself is weak. The overall market is weak right now. And guys, we know that it is very difficult to trade detached, to trade contrary to the overall market. So with things as bearish as they are for crypto and stocks at the moment, we really have to look at any signs of strength we can for Terra Luna Classic. And right now, hey, it's dark times, right? It's dark times, uncertain times, fearful times, and the overall market is not conducive to gains. Now, when it comes to specifically to Terra Luna Classic, we can look at a couple of different things, and proposals are one of them. So I'm just gonna talk about these two proposals, and then I'll give my opinion on them afterwards. But I think 10.879 and 10.880 are the two proposals. 10.879 is, I believe, Vegas's proposal to make sure that all community funds have to go through governance before they're distributed. And there's a lot of backlash to this. One, because people have this idea right now that, developers are godlike and they should just be able to make any and every decision, and that we should trust them blindly to control not only $4 million wallets, but all on-chain transactions and community pools and so on. It is getting a little bit out of hand. And Vegas definitely has a point. There should be something looking into this, and there should be some sort of community governance when it comes to distributing this funds. And unfortunately, we're not seeing that from the guys that are high up. They want control, not just a little control, 100% control. And the crazy thing to me, okay, as extreme as it is to say, let's just vote on how funds should be distributed, these guys that are in control right now, they have said, you can watch the previous video when I said this is getting out of control. They have said that we would like, in a perfect world, to stop all forms of information except for what we deem accessible and what we deem distributable. They want to shut down Terra Luna Classic YouTube videos. They want to shut down Terra Luna Classic Discords, Telegrams, Twitter Spaces. They want to shut down Terra Luna Classic tweets, so that the only way you can get information about Terra Luna Classic is through their website and through their dissemination. Guys, it's wild to see these type of people wanting to control multi-million-dollar wallets when they want to control even the information that you receive. So do I think that Vegas's proposal is slightly vague? It might be, but something needs to be done there, because money talks, and I'm telling you right now, it can speak nonsense into a lot of situations, and I believe that's what it's doing. So 10-879 is Vegas's proposal. It does have a few yes votes, but it's getting a lot of backlash because everybody thinks that we should just bow down. 10-880 is another one, and this is an interesting one. This one should pass with flying colors. I do not believe that they are trying to backdoor anything into this one at the moment, but it is basically saying that we should allow the inter-blockchain communication to take place between Terra Luna Classic and the Cosmos. This to me seems like it's only a win-win situation. Anytime you can open up inter-blockchain communication, it leads to a possible increase in demand, possible use case scenarios increasing, and it seems to be like a good utility for Terra Luna Classic moving forward. So I did just read the summarized version on that. I don't know if they are trying to backdoor anything there or not. So make sure you do check that out if you guys are voting and delegating your votes to these proposals there. But nonetheless, I mean, it does seem like unlocking that inter-blockchain communication would be a good thing. So those two proposals out there, make sure to check those out, guys. And Terra Luna Classic might be in for a little bit of darkness ahead as the overall cryptocurrency market is facing some very difficult times. I want to know what you guys think. 1, about the support levels. 2, about 10-879 and 10-880 proposals. Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.